What's up guys? Again, this is Kai and Dax TV. Dinner time. Ayan yung ulam natin ngayon. Adobong pusit. Ayan, paborito natin. Isa sa paborito natin yung adobong pusit. Okay? At may tatlong chili dyan. Sabaw pa lang dyan guys, no? Ihalo natin. Sabaw pa lang. Ano? Ulam na. Oh, lamig kayo guys. Alright. So, ayan guys. So, nilagay na natin dyan guys. Okay. Adobong pusit for dinner. Kain tayo guys. Ayan. May kayo. Okay. So, again guys. This is Kai and Dax TV. Babu.